In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can freeze your location on iPhone. So the first step is what you'll want to do is just drag your control panel and maybe just open up your airplane mode. Now what this does is it will disable your location. You won't get any calls. Maybe you should even turn off your Wi-Fi. And after you do that, you will be completely off and your location won't be shown anywhere else. So this is the first way, but the drawback is that you won't be able to use your Wi-Fi or you won't be able to call anyone. So the next method is that just turn on your airplane mode. And after you do that, just go to your settings. After you're on your settings, scroll down till you find privacy and security. Open it up and there you will see location services. Go to location services and just turn off your location services. After you do that, just go to share my location and turn your share my location off. After you do this, your location will be completely frozen and no one will be able to see your location and no apps will be able to access your location. So yeah, that is how you freeze your location on iPhone, guys. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more. Bye bye.